What if a simple sound could help unlock focus, energy, and mental clarity? That's what many people believe about Theta brainwave audios. But what's the science behind it? Theta waves are brainwaves typically produced during deep relaxation, meditation, and light sleep. Some researchers say these waves help with creativity and emotional balance. That's why audio programs like The Billionaire Brainwave use theta frequency to trigger calm focus. But can you really listen for 7 minutes a day and see big changes? Let's be realistic. It's not magic. But it may support a consistent routine of mindfulness and inner focus. Many users report better sleep, clarity, and reduced stress. However, results vary, and these audios are not a replacement for therapy or medical advice. If you're curious and want to experiment, it could be a helpful tool in your mental wellness toolkit. Check the description to learn more. Always question bold claims, but stay open to new experiences that might support your journey. This is Skill and Grow Pro, where we explore tools to build a stronger mind and better habits.